Good day, this is SmartwatchSpecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Huafit Watch S6, and on this video, we are going to pair it with the Dee Fit application. So, the Dee Fit application is the support app for the Watch S6. As you can see here on the packaging, we have here the QR code Dee Fit. So it is available on Android and iOS platform. So on this video, we are going to pair it with the Dee Fit on Android platform. We are going to have a separate video for the iOS platform or iPhone. So if you are interested to see on how to pair your Watch S6 with the Dee Fit application on Android, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and pair our Huafit Watch S6 by Elon on the Dee Fit application. So we have here the QR code, and I think it's also available in the user manual as well as here in the smartwatch. To make sure, let's check it. Torch game setting. We have the app download here. We have the app QR code. Okay. In our case, let's just open the Google Play Store and just search the Dee Fit app. Dee Fit. Dee Fit. Search Dee Fit app. And we have the app here. Let's check out the logo here. Is it the same? Okay. We have the Dee Fit application. So tap on the app. So we have 5,000 downloads here. So it is a new application. Let's see. Released August 23, 2023. So just last year. So barely a year application. As you can see here, very new app. So let's install the app for our Huafit Watch S6. Tap on install. Let's wait for it to complete the download, and it will automatically install in our wearable. So very light app for our smartwatch. As you can see here, it's already installing. Let's see. Just a few seconds, we will have our Dee Fit app. So installing the app on our Android smartphone. And now it's finished. It's already installed. Open the app. We have here our privacy policy permission. Just agree to it. In order to ensure the device data can be received, confirm. We have here personal information. Okay, we'll leave it as it is. Okay. Confirm, notification permission, system permission application prompt. Okay, confirm. And we have here the layout of the application. Looks like the HRY Fine app or the Fit Pro. Okay, seems similar in the layout here, UI. Then we have the device here in the bottom part, as you can see. So bind device, so it's not yet connected. Tap on bind device, then confirm. Allow Dee Fit to access this device location while using the app. We have another permission here. Allow Dee Fit to access your phone call logs. We'll allow it. This one, nearby devices, allow it. And make and manage phone calls, allow it. Then we turned off our Bluetooth, so it is asking to turn on our Bluetooth. We'll allow it. Turning on Bluetooth. Okay, then tap on bind device again. It will look for our Huafit Watch S6. So let's wait for it to locate our smartwatch. Again, it started. And let's wait. And we have here our Huafit S6. Okay. So to pair your smartwatch, tap on Huafit S6 here. And let's wait for it to have a successful connection. And I guess we are connected, as you can see. Tap on the device. We have here connected Huafit S6. Okay, we have 85% battery life. So let's see. Okay, firmware update. Check for update. The firmware is already the latest version. Okay, go back. Other settings. Let's see, find watch, and we have here. Okay, so we are connected. So settings here, we do have the on-screen time. So 15 seconds is the highest. Okay. System control, you can shut it down. Activated the wrist to light up the screen. Heart rate warning, we'll disable it. And we have the unit settings here. Feet, okay. Celsius here, 24-hour system. We'll pick the 12-hour system. Okay, preserve. Go back. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, let's check out the push notifications. Let's activate. Look for the Dee Fit. Allow. Then go back. We have here our permission. Allow Dee Fit to access your contacts. We'll allow it. Then seems like all of the apps here is activated. Let's see. Disable. Okay, enable. Then we have the call reminder here. Okay, incoming call reminder switch. Activate. Confirm. Let's see if we can add our contacts. So quick communication. Is this the contacts? Query has no result. Okay. Let's look for the number here. Sam. Confirm. Contact successfully added. Let's see. Heart rate record. Call menu. Contacts, and we have here the number. Okay, seems like very easy to set up, and seems like the connection is stable. As you can see here, we are still connected. We have added a phone number. We set the push notifications as well as other settings. Okay, so that's it for our tutorial on how to pair your Huafit Watch S6 with the Android smartphone. So if you have any questions regarding this setup, drop a comment below. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe.